Let me be real with you. The news isn't made to help you make money. It's made to keep you watching. One day, the market drops. Next day, it pumps. Some guy in a suit says, it's priced in, and everyone nods like they're in a cult. I used to nod too. I thought if I watch enough CNBC, I'll be rich. And then reality hit me. I did exactly what they told me to do. I bought good companies. I stayed long term, and still, my portfolio got hit like a truck. It wasn't because the company were trash, and it wasn't just bad luck. It felt like gravity suddenly got heavier. That's when I realized most people aren't losing because they're stupid. They're losing because nobody taught them the mechanism. They taught us headlines, they taught us opinions, but they never showed us the engine under the hood. So I started this channel for one reason, to explain that engine with simple doodles. Because if you can't explain it to a 5-year-old, you don't understand it. In episode 2, we talked about rates. Most people think rates are just boring numbers. They're not. Rates are the gravity of money. And when gravity changes, everything changes. Stocks, houses, your job. Next episode, episode 3, I'm going to show you the rule I wish I knew many years ago. The hidden cycle that controls when that gravity shifts. When I understood this rule, I stopped guessing. I stopped being the victim. Episode 3 is a manual, and it decides if you panic or profit. Subscribe before the next move happens.